Welcome to an aMiSTACX deployment for Ubuntu 22.04 LTS open source on AWS. Ubuntu Server is an amazing open source platform for production or development environments. Deploy from aMiSTACX or directly from AWS Marketplace. Please review the hosting pricing and EULA, and ask all questions before you deploy. Copying the usage information to a text editor is suggested for easy reference. We recommend using a seller-suggested AWS security group for initial deployment. Post-deployment, you can lock down your security groups via A51 or from the AWS console. You can expect about an 8-minute deployment. Wait for initialization to complete, and take the time to name your instance. It is very important to wait the full 8 minutes for deployment. Otherwise, you will run into EC2 errors. Register for A51, and access the main dashboard to see your newly deployed instance. Note, A51 is only a limited user interface to your AWS console, and you are responsible for all costs associated with your AWS account. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. Basic database connection information can be found in the stack guide. For convenience, the Stack's database can be accessed directly from A51, or you can access directly from the URL provided in the usage instructions. We will also make use of the elastic IP address for our SFTP connection via WinSCP. Make sure port 8080 is open, and accept the certificate warning. Obviously, for security reasons, you will want to change default passwords post-installation, and prior to production usage.